Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today Zoe is joining us because she woke up and I'm just gonna film and see what happens if she's in the room with me. Well, clearly this is going well. So today's video is a collaboration with Temptu, which is the airbrush makeup innovation brand. Trying it out, and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, probably like a glowy, natural skin, dewy summer makeup tutorial for you. That is what we're trying to do today with the Temptu Air Kit.
Papa.
Papa is at work, honey pie.
Papa.
Papa's at work.
Papa.
Papa, he's at work. So the kit comes with the Temptu Air machine, and this is what the little AirPod slots into. It comes with a little charger, so you just plug it into your USB and in 1 or 2 hours it's charged. And inside my kit, I have 2 foundations in the shades Birch and Nude, and I also got a blush and a highlighter, and I'm so excited to see what these things do because okay, I'm not the best at makeup, you guys know that, but you know what, we're just gonna power through. Since we're going for a glowy look, we're going to use a little bit of Burberry's Nude Radiance Luminous Fluid Base in number 1 Fresh Glow. That's just going to set the tone for more glowiness. I think I'm gonna get a little closer so that we can all see what's going on while I apply this. All right, so I'm in a little bit closer so that we can get started and see what happens with the Temptu Air Kit. So I don't know which shade I am right now. Zoe, you can't fit between my tripod and that table, honey. And she tripped over it. You're totally fine right now, guys. This is like mom life. Okay, I put cartoons on for Zoe because it was just too much. So you have to shake well before you open it. Take off the safety seal. Firmly pull back on the clear loop to prime the AirPod before the first use only. And then gently open the plug before attaching it. And then press the release button. And I guess just attach it. Okay, here on the back you have the on button, and that will light up. Will it? Oh god, oh god, okay, that does that. Okay, so air starts coming out. That's quite nice. If you touch the button again, it goes to 3, level 3, which is the strongest level, and then touch it again, level 1. Okay, so each of these levels are designed to be used with different products. Light air, speed 1 is detail work like spot correction. Speed 2, medium air, foundation, blush, and bronzer. Speed 3 is full air, and that is for highlighter and larger areas like arms and stuff. So let's just dive in and see what we can get out of this. We're just gonna try. You pull down on this little lever right here, and then the more you pull, the heavier it blasts it at your face. Circular motions, Anna, don't screw this up. 4 fingers away from the face. Oh, I can smell it. Ooh, oh geez, this is really hard to coordinate. Think I'm too close. Think I'm too close. Now you guys know I'm a light coverage girl, so I think that apparently a little goes a long way. This is gonna be a good product for me. You gotta really focus. Plus keep it 4 fingers away from your face. Okay, let's just see, I let go. Okay, I don't think I put anything on. I put a teeny bit over here, can you see? I think I need to go a bit more wild. Okay. Okay, but we're getting somewhere though. It's looking a little patchy because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But the product is really nice. Not this big close. Let's just not be scared. Just don't be scared, Anna, just go. For sheer coverage, like 1 to 2 passes is enough. So I think I've probably done like 5 passes in the same spot. This is like so fun. You know what, I'm not hating on it. I think I could, since I'm a newbie, I think I could use like a bit of beauty blending on it, which is not the point. The point is that you're supposed to just apply this and it's just meant to be on. But because I'm so bad at it, I'm going to do this. It dries down matte, but because I put on the Burberry primer, it's got a luminous effect. and kind of bronzy, so I'll have to bring a little bit of bronzer down here. So I'm gonna do some concealing just quickly with my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. For powder, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Medium. Just going to set that eye. Let's move on to highlighter so we can get our dewiness on. Okay, so to get this out, you press the release button and you pull, and make sure to plug it back in so that it doesn't dry out. Very fun, very fun. Okay. I'm such a dork. Okay, let me explain. You have this side with the label, which is like where you hold it right side up. So naturally you'd be like, oh, it opens on the top, but the top is really ridiculously difficult to get it open. In fact, it opens from the bottom. You're welcome. I just saved you so much time. So this is the Perfect Canvas Highlighter in the shade Champagne. And put it in there. Apparently for highlighter, you need to be on level 3, so let's just go crazy. I'm so nervous. Okay. Let's go gently, Anna, go gently. Go so gently. It's gonna, I feel like it's just gonna get everywhere, but hopefully not. Let's go from the brow bone down. Ooh, girl. Okay. Ooh, wow, can you see that? Do you see that highlight? It might have gotten a little bit everywhere, but who cares? Because it looks glowy. Okay, let's do this side. Oh my God, this is so much fun. I think you just have to relax into it. Like, it's just a new way of applying makeup. Yes, yes, bish, slay! I love this. I love this highlight. I love this shade. You know what? I would just use this even on any other way of applying makeup with the Beauty Blender on any other day that I might not even be using this machine to at least apply my foundation. Like any of my makeup routines could, this is just life itself. I love it. Let's do the bridge of the nose, the Cupid's bow. This is so nice. So let's put some here. Do we love or do we love? Give me the glow. I feel like J-Lo. All right, let's bust into some blush. This is the blush in the tone Pale Pink. I wonder how long these little pods last. I want to know, like, its average lifespan. So level 2 for blush. Let's see how this blends. I'm curious. Okay, definitely need to go in with a bit of Beauty Blender. It's really nice and rosy and fresh toned. And then the highlighter just coming through underneath that is perfect for the glow. Just finished liner. All I did was line the very corners of my eye. That's what I do when I'm just wanting something natural and simple that kind of just, you know, opens up my eyes. Okay, so the last thing that we're gonna do, and I guess I could put my hair down for that, is lips. Literally, I feel like I look like a lion. So now I'm going in with the Temptu Color True Lipstick in the shade Buffed Nectar. It is a very, very creamy formula. I love that because my lips are always so dry. My gosh, they really got it right with like the shades they sent me. You have to do like a quiz on their website, and it brings back the shades that are supposedly it determines for you. So I was kind of nervous about that. The weather in LA has gotten so dry this weekend, so I recommend if you have dry lips, maybe do a lip scrub just before you apply this because it's very creamy. It dries down like a demi matte. One final step that we are going to do is spray some fixing spray onto our face. This is the Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashbox. And that's it, you guys. This is my radiant, sun-kissed, dewy Mother's Day look tutorial using the Temptu Airbrush Makeup Innovation. Thank you so much to Temptu for sending me these products. I really enjoyed testing them out, reviewing them for you guys. Again, any of these products can be mixed and matched, incorporated into your usual makeup routine. Genuinely really love the packaging, really love how easy it is to use. Definitely need to get used to the circular motions. Maybe it'll be easier to do the circular motions when I'm looking into a mirror that I'm not holding. That's another thing that I'm not used to doing. And since this is in celebration of Mother's Day, I just want to send all the mamas around the world, including my amazing mother, and my amazing grandmother a huge, huge, huge kiss and hug. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up button. That would be so awesome of you. Leave a comment below with any other videos you'd like to see, makeup tutorials, baby stuff. I hope to see you guys here soon next time on The Casual Free.